Hello and welcome back. Just continuing on in the book. Looks like today we're doing puzzle 136. Let's start with this bottom row here. We're missing a 2 and an 8. We've got an 8 here. So 2, 8. For this box then we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 there. So 5, 2. For this box, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 7 here. So 5, 7. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got a 6 there. So 8, 6. For this box then, it looks like we're missing 2, 7, and 9. We've got a 2 and 9 here. So that's our 7, but no other help. So 2, 9, 2, 9. If we look at this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 6. We've got a 5 here. So 6, 5. If we look at this box then, looks like we're missing 1, 8, and 9. We've got an 8 here and a 9 here, so this is our 1. That 8 means this is our 9 and 8. For this column then, it looks like we're missing a 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8, 1. To finish out this box, we're missing 6 and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 7, 6. For this row then, we've got 1, 2, we're missing 3 and 6. We've got a 3 here, so 6 and 3. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 9. We've got a 5 here, so 9 and 5. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 6, 9. For this top row then, looks like we're missing a 3 and 4. We've got a 3 here, so 4, 3. For this column then, we're missing a 1 and a 4. We've got a 1 here, so 4 and 1. For this box then, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this row then, looks like we're missing a 4 and a 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5 and 4. For this box then, looks like we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. This 9 comes down here, makes this our 2 and 9. For this column, then it looks like we're missing a 1 and a 6. We've got a 1 here, so 6, 1. And to finish out this box, looks like we're missing 2 and 5. We've got a 2 here, so 5 and 2. And that is it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you have an amazing day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.